committed a traffic violation at Orange and Washington.
But you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Who said that?
You can't. This is not the right way to hold somebody. This is not the right way to hold somebody.
Stop resisting, man.
Okay.
They're gonna break my arm. They don't know what conditions I have. They don't know what conditions I have.
Stop resisting.
June 11, Orlando, Florida. Orlando Police Department officers on downtown patrol observed a Honda Civic run a red light at Orange Avenue and Washington Street. The driver self-parked before officers could initiate a formal stop. This single act triggered a chain of legal consequences under 4 separate Florida statutes.
What are you doing?
Hi. What are you doing?
What are you covering up?
I'm not covering anything up.
You literally just threw everything down onto the
I was
floorboard.
grabbing my bag for my license.
You were literally throwing shit down.
I'm parking here because I work here.
She tried covering something up on the floorboard. You know why I'm pulling you over?
Sienna.
You know why I'm pulling you over?
Why?
You're gonna give me attitude right now? Like you're annoyed? Because you went right through the red light in front of us at Orange and okay. What is working here driving through a red light on Orange and Washington?
I'm late from break, and I'm sorry.
You're late from break?
Yes.
Okay.
Where do you work?
Here.
Ma'am, do me a favor, put your car in park.
Yeah, it's.
I can't because I pulled over because I saw you behind me.
Put your car in park.
Yeah. There's a bottle in there.
You want to talk to me?
What do you do for work?
What I do for work? Sales vacation.
Sales vacation.
Vacation sales.
Okay. So there's an open bottle of tequila in the car. How many? Ma'am, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling. Ma'am, let's talk. How many drinks do you have today?
None.
No. Okay. Why is there an open bottle of tequila in the car?
There's not.
In addition to the...
You said there's speed bumps?
Oh, dude, this is holy shit. That is strong.
Why did you blow by that red light?
I didn't blow by a red light.
Okay, you did. Do me a favor. Put your phone up there.
I'm not gonna hang up.
Ma'am, just take your phone out. Right now, you're detained for a traffic stop, okay? Do me a favor.
I'm already parked.
Ma'am, do me a favor. Step out the car for me.
I'm gonna bring that.
No, you're not, ma'am. Please step out of the car. Ma'am.
You can't take my
All right,
phone.
don't resist. You're gonna go to jail.
Relax.
Oh. You can't take.
Stop. She's fighting. Stop. Let go. Do it now. I said let go. I said you're pulling your arm back.
Let go.
You reek of liquor right now.
Whoa. What is going on? Sienna, make sure you stay on the phone, please.
I wonder if she's involved in 73 too.
In 73? What is that?
We're not talking to you.
Yes, you are.
We're talking to each other.
Sienna,
What's on the back?
where's my phone?
What's up here?
What is going on with you today?
Sienna. Over here.
What is going on with you right now?
Sienna!
You do not need to be here. I'm hanging up with you,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
No, do not hang up my phone. That's
Ma'am.
illegal.
Ma'am.
I have a brother that's a police officer.
Okay, well, guess
You
what?
hanging on my
Yeah,
phone
it's
is believed.
police.
I'm doing her a favor because
How?
if she comes here to this location
She
and
won't
obstructs
come
this
here.
investigation, she goes to jail. So I'm
She
doing
will
her a
not
favor.
interrupt us.
She's literally looking for your location right now.
No,
Ma'am.
she's not.
Ma'am, you've been extremely uncooperative at this point.
I'm cooperative.
You're not.
What do you guys need from me?
You reek of alcohol.
What do you guys need from me?
I'm trying to talk to you. Stop talking
Okay.
over me. Answer
Okay,
my question.
I'm sorry, sir.
How many drinks do you have? Because you reek of alcohol.
I have not had any drinks.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. So if I do some exercises, are you willing to do some exercises?
Is that legal?
You don't have to do them.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you want to do them?
Yes.
If I take you out of these handcuffs, are you going to cooperate?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I promise.
If you act up, you will get charged with additional charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, I will not act up.
I'm out with you, right?
Yeah. I said 18. Check if they 18 or 19.
I work here. So
work.
Delta 19, how do you show me?
this is Hilton. You might not see it on the building, but this is Hilton Vacation Sales.
Okay. How many drinks did you have today?
None.
Come over. Turn off your front lights.
Should I take them off?
If you would like to take them off, you have that opportunity to take them off.
It's okay. You know, you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Ma'am, I don't understand. I don't know what you know, but
But
you committed a traffic violation at Orange and Washington.
But you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Who said that?
You can't.
Ma'am?
I know that.
Okay, ma'am. So, are you going to quit?
Yes, I am.
All right.
But I'm telling you right now, you cannot pull over somebody.
Okay, that's going to be
Ma'am.
our argument
Ma'am.
once we're done with this. But
Ma'am,
as of right now, you are detained.
Can you put your feet together, hands onto your side? All right. I want you to follow this blue light. It's called the stimulus. with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're moving your head. So we're going to start this
Am I moving my head?
I'm not asking
No,
you.
I
I'm
haven't.
telling you you're moving your head.
How did I move my head?
With your neck.
I didn't.
Ma'am, I'm not
Can we do
arguing
it
with
again?
you. We're going to do it again.
Okay,
All right,
please, sir.
keep your feet together, hands onto your side, not behind your back. We're going to go over here where it's dry, okay? Let's take a walk.
Yes.
Hands down to
I'm
the
getting
side,
it
not
with
up.
raindrops.
So am I. Can you put your left foot on that line? Your left foot. That's your right. Your left foot on the line. Your right foot heel to toe, just like this. Keep that right there, all right?
I'm actually a
When-
clumsy person.
Okay. You're going to take 9 heel-toe steps. Plant your lead foot, take a series of small steps, and take 9 heel-toe steps back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
1, 2, 8, 9, 10.
Same way I instructed you.
That was 9.
Same way I instructed you. You said you understand my instructions?
That was 9.
Okay.
So, do you like me to do more?
The way I instructed you.
1, 2, 8, 9. I have now did 18. Is there anything else you would like?
The way I instructed you. Remember my instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then do it the way I instructed you.
I did that.
So you're done?
No.
Okay.
So you want me to go heel to toe? You want my toe to touch the heel?
The way I instructed you, ma'am.
1, stepping on my toes. 2, 8, 9. And we're at the end now.
Okay.
I can't-
You're done? Are you done?
This is what you instructed me.
Okay, so you
And
believe
all
that
my-
should be my instructions? Okay, cool. Let's go. Come over here.
So confused.
We're just moving on to the next part.
We're going on to the next one, all right? Over here. Face me. All right, the next exercise we're going to do is the one leg stand. You're going to raise your foot, you're going to look down at your foot, and you're going to count aloud. 1001, 1002, 1003.
1001, 1002. What am I counting to? 3?
You're going to keep counting until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? So you may begin at any time.
Here?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is hard. 26, 27,
All right.
28, 29.
Okay. So how many drinks did you have today?
I have not had any.
None at all.
No.
Okay, look at my partner. All right, and then can you do a forward dive like this with your hands behind your back?
A dive?
Yeah, like put both of your hands like you're praying behind your back. Yep. All right. Now you're additionally getting charged with DUI, okay?
Sure. No, I have not had any drinks.
Okay.
So what happens when they breathalyze me and see I have no drinks?
Well, that's up to the judge to decide. I made my determination roadside based on my training and experience and all my other observations. So you're going to be afforded that opportunity to disprove what I believe. Well, in a couple minutes, it's going to get towed.
And you've been beside my car?
Well, we will be because it's...
No, without legal,
Nope, ma'am,
Well, first of all,
I don't
there's
understand
no
what you're talking about.
No, you do. There's something on top of my car.
Yeah, the
Get in the car,
So
please.
you went inside my car?
Ma'am, please get in the car.
So you went inside my car?
Yes,
We will go
we
inside
did.
your
Without permission?
With probable cause. Get in the
No,
car.
without permission.
With probable cause. Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You'll get that.
Do you have anything
I
on?
need my phone.
It's going to
Get
come
in
with
the
you.
car.
Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You're going to get another charge.
Get in the
Get
car.
in the car. Do it now.
What's the other charge?
You already have a resisting charge. Don't get another one.
We're giving you lawful order.
My phone has
Get your-
You will get your stuff.
Your phone will go with you, but it's not coming with you in the back of the car. It's going to come up front, and then it's going to go to you into jail.
So can you please get that?
Watch your feet. Watch your toes.
The officers would gather some evidence from the car before taking the woman around the corner for a search by a female officer.
I did not realize I was that heavy. You're good.
No. Won't get in there.
All right, ma'am. How are you?
Good,
Step
how are
on
you?
out. I'm just gonna search you, okay?
Search me?
Yes,
What do you have to search me for?
because you're going to jail.
So don't they search me when I get there?
We're gonna search you right now. Get out.
Policy. So we have to search you now. Hold on a second. All right.
Did that make you feel tough?
Not really.
I wouldn't talk back if I were you, ma'am. Stand up here, watch the car. You gotta stand still. Can you do that?
You have me off a curb. You know, I actually
Are you flat-footed? Wide off.
There's only a centimeter
Widen
away
your
from the
stance.
curb.
Widen your stance. Wider.
What else do you
Wider.
want? What else do you want?
Wider.
It can't go wider.
Yes, you can. I
No, I
promise.
can't.
Try. There you go.
Hey, hold on.
a second.
Hold on. This thing's about.
Oh, whoa. Yeah. They already have me for a listen as well, so.
Yeah, so you.
Okay. Do not do that. Stop. Moving your hand so you don't get to the ground. Are you gonna break my finger? If you make it so, are you gonna break it? Not our fault. Are you gonna break it? You good?
Yeah.
Make sure that one's.
You're searching me to go to jail.
When they're already. Don't push me. I don't want to.
Stop pulling away from me.
Stop.
Don't. I'm not pulling away from you. Don't push me.
Got it.
Hello. Help!
Go ahead. Yeah, we're good.
Someone. Dan,
I'm being arrested unlawfully.
hold her like this.
Record this if you can. Record this if you
We're
can.
recording right now.
No, they're recording as well.
Okay, perfect.
Are you gonna arrest them too? Because you guys hung up my phone.
Only you're going to
You
jail.
guys hung up my phone.
Okay.
You don't have a right to hang up my phone. You don't have a right to do that.
Sure do.
Get off my arm.
You're already getting charged for resisting.
Get off my
And
arm.
she slipped one of the cups already, so just keep an eye on it.
Rosario's being transported. Let's put her in Rosario's car.
This is not the right way to hold somebody. This is not the right way to hold somebody.
Stop, man.
This is not the right way to hold somebody.
Stop resisting, ma'am.
Not the right way. Not the right way. You're gonna get hung. Not
Stop
the right way.
resisting.
You're gonna break my arm. We're going to.
Stop resisting.
You are going to break it yourself by dropping like that. You are going to self-inflict your injury when you drop all your weight to the ground purposefully, trying to make it difficult for us to walk.
Sorry.
Improper.
Oh. Rosario, where's your car? Let's throw her in your car. Unlock it.
From under my elbow.
Wait, she's going to go.
Get your arm from under
Car, his car's over here.
Get your arm.
And his car's over here.
Go get your They're holding me well.
Okay, are you
They're gonna break my arm. They don't know what conditions I have.
Are you gonna come
They don't know what conditions I have.
Stop resisting.
Tell them to get from under me.
It's not happening.
This dumb bitch right here is holding me from under my elbow.
Because of the way you're acting, yes, she's going to continue to hold you like that.
I have not physically arrested anybody.
You keep dropping your weight trying to get outside of our
She's
grip.
holding me wrong.
You've been resisting ever
Like,
since
go
the
on my
start.
shoulder like that. And now you're pushing me against the car. I am. Now you're pushing me against the car?
Sure am.
Stop doing that. Stop.
I'm going to tell you right now, you are not running the show. Okay?
I don't care.
Stop
But
fighting
you're not
back.
gonna hurt
The
me.
more you fight
You're
back,
here to help people.
I'm trying to help
You're
you.
not helping me.
I'm trying to help you.
You're letting her
Okay.
do this to me.
No, as of right now, no. She just wants to run the show.
I don't want to be taken by her.
Ma'am, that's not how this works.
You're here.
You're not.
So,
You're not.
I don't
you're not-
like her.
You're not in control of this arrest. I am, and she's going to take you because it's another woman. Go.
Okay, you just
If
said
you're going
gonna
to
be
catch
cooperative.
another, you don't understand.
I'm being cooperative, but you have been disrespectful. And you've hurt me. As good as he is, at least he hasn't hurt me.
Stop authority. Whren v. United States 517 U.S. 806-1996. Any observed traffic violation provides sufficient constitutional justification for a detention. The moment of the violation controls, not the moment of physical contact. Self-parking after a violation does not extinguish the stop. Lesson: a driver cannot outrun a traffic infraction by finding a parking space. Order to exit, Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106-1977. Officers conducting a lawful traffic stop may order the driver to exit without additional justification. Refusal to comply satisfies the elements of flaw. Stat. 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. Verbal obstruction alone is sufficient for this charge. Probable cause for DUI. Flaw. Stat. 316.193. DUI is established when normal faculties are impaired independent of a measured BAC. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test produced 6 of 6 clues exceeding the 4-clue NHTSA threshold. State v. Medor 674, so 2D 826. Flaw. 4th. DCA 1000. 996 affirmed HGN admissibility in Florida courts. Open container plus odor of alcohol plus 6 of 6 HGN clues constituted layered probable cause. Arrest, standard, and vehicle search. Graham versus Connor, 490, US 3-861-989. The arresting officer's determination is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of arrest, not with hindsight or post-arrest chemical results. Vehicle search authority derived from Carroll versus United States, 267 U.S., 1321925. An open alcohol container in plain view supplies probable cause under the automobile exception. No warrant was required. Consent is irrelevant where probable cause exists. Admissibility of roadside statements. Berkemer versus McCarty, 468 U.S., 4201984. Roadside questioning during a traffic stop is not custodial interrogation. Miranda warnings are not required. All denials made by the driver prior to formal arrest are fully admissible at trial. Lesson voluntary statements made at roadside can and will be used as evidence regardless of whether Miranda was read. Resisting and battery on Leo. The subject slipped her handcuff prior to the pat-down search, constituting active resistance. Search incident to lawful arrest is a recognized Fourth Amendment exception under Chimmel v. California 395 U.S. 7521969. At the detention facility, kicking a holding cell door and striking an officer's hand elevated the charge to battery on a law enforcement officer under FLA Stat. 784.07, a third-degree felony under the LEO enhancement provision. Implied consent and outcome, FLA Stat. 316.1932. Every Florida driver is deemed to have consented to chemical testing upon a lawful DUI arrest. Refusal triggers an automatic 1-year administrative license suspension and is admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt. Final charges: DUI resisting without violence, battery on ALEO, and DWILIS. The resisting charge was subsequently dismissed. The subject entered a no-contest plea to the remaining 3 counts. Under FLA. R. Crim. P. 3.172. A no-contest plea carries the same sentencing effect as a guilty plea, but cannot be used as an admission in civil proceedings under FLA Stat. Joe Sherdent C. Ealing.